Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Cynthia Nwodo, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again. So today's video is all about how I achieve my high bun. It's a very easy step to take. So first of all, I go in with my Cantu spray, and then I went in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner, because all I use is actually Cantu. So today was my hair wash day, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys before I head all out to the shower to wash my hair. So guys, this is exactly how it goes, how it works. Oh my god, it's about to rain. So I just decided to pack it up. So I really did not like the way I packed it, so I actually repacked it later in the video. You guys will see that soon. So because the bun was fuller than I expected, and I didn't want it to be this full, so I actually worked on it. So yeah guys, I went in with my Eco Gel and just, you know, to smoothen out my hair, to make it look sleek and good and pretty. I mean, this hair tutorial is something you can do like ASAP, like when you're going to a place, when you have an emergency and stuff like that. This is the kind of hair you do. So I'm going to repack it in a second. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I cut my hair. I cut about 1 inch about 2 months ago, sometime in February. Well, April is almost done, so sometime in February I cut my hair, and yeah, and surprisingly it actually grew as fast, so I did not expect it to grow this much. Guys, this is just the hair tutorial. I repacked it high, and yeah, I'm just going to sleek it. You can do your edges, but usually I prefer the smooth, slick, straight, sleek way of packing my hair. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy. This is all guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and thumbs up if you liked this video. Guys, let me go and change to something sleek and pretty. Yeah, now I've changed. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thumbs up if you like this video guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. I would appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.